Elections are a feast of democracy. A healthy democracy needs well-informed and engaged citizens. In the digital age, the political debate and campaigning are moving increasingly online. This creates opportunities but also challenges. There are lots of rules for campaigning offline, yet the online campaigning is unregulated. Online political advertising is increasingly an unchecked race of dirty methods. It's used to fuel disinformation and to deepen division in society. And this needs to change. Every voter needs to have tools to understand what ad they see, why they see it, and who paid for it. We have to hit the slow down button. The right to speak does not mean a right to reach. This is why we propose a new law to bring more transparency and to limit micro-targeting techniques in political advertising. Simply put, as a company or a party, either you are able to publicly show what you are doing, who you are targeting and how, or you should not be doing it. We want to protect an open political debate and free and fair elections.